Just looks awesome.
Yeah. Digging the wardrobe here. Working for me. I like it.
What can I do?
The further away I get, the better you look. That's a good line, man. Alright, nice. Perfecto. Alright.
You're probably not doing much.
Yeah, it's cool. I'd rather have kick lights on him. In fact, the other kick light could probably come up. It's missing him a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, so we could turn that into him. I think I like playing him in the middle of the set a little bit better. Just spin that one to him. I guess maybe that one was not firing all the time.
Which one?
Spotlight. Good. Cross the arms again like we did before. Perfect. Nice. All right. Chin down just a smidge. Are we on there, Curtis? Let's see what the exposure is going to be here. That's about right, 8.5. That's good. I like that. And then eyes to me, right here. Give me real serious if you can. Chin down a little bit. Nice. Because I can get that in. We keep it skinny this way. It's cool. That's good. I like that. Bring this hand up. Cover the star up a little bit. Doesn't matter to me, but it looks good. I like it. And eyes are up past me. Nice. Good. Smile at the spot now. No, just kidding. Eyes to me now. Do it. And again. Timing's everything. And Billy likes it. Yay. Good. You can shoot 2, 3, and go. All right. I like that. Good. Nice. Huge. Perfect. Digging it. Beautiful. Okay.
Serious for one, dude.
Okay. Give me like a better fingering on your
Okay.
this hand. Yeah. Cool. Very nice. Good. Let's just change the hose a little bit. Yeah. So it's not as important to you. Good. Just give that hand up too. You gotta give me a better cutoff point for a tight shot. Yeah. Okay. Lower hand just falls more. Good. Curtis, give me a. You can take a shot. I'll get boxed. Move the foot box there.
Hey.
We're getting there for me. Because we could be there. Actually, you can reverse it so it kind of go like this. Yeah, and forward. Yeah. There you go. That's better. Cool. Taller. Nice. Guitar out of your way. Rather than move your head, you can move the guitar a little bit. Fall this way into the light. Good. Stay there. Just test that one out real quick. So it can hit you. You got your strap, you're rocking it.
Probably a crazy attitude, but it's okay.
Let me do a few tips. Move the foot box out of the way, please. Gotta try to keep as high as you can. I know it's quite difficult. Cool. I can erase all that stuff. So the guitar faces this way.
Okay.
And you face me, Curtis. That's your audience, that's your spot.
Like
that's
that.
cool. Favorite numbers?
I can't reproduce it.
No. That's why we gotta just kind of. That spot right over that side. Good. Let's turn the face a little more. I'm sorry, I go the wrong way with you there. Go that way with it. Just a touch. Get down lower. Eyes to me. Good. Good. move the hand back more though, so it doesn't block your face. Nose this way, just a click. You're good. Nice. Just fall into it. Get into it. There you go. That's good. And then Billy. You're still good. I like what you're doing. You're just gonna play down.
Okay.
That's a shot right there. I get that shot. All right. Very nice. Okay. Chill, baby. Heels down. Heels down. You're good. Okay. We go back to film. Tell you to park the guitar for a few minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Just like cool. Just hang there. Like, yes, I'm cool. There you go. Good. That's good. I like it. Now, so serious first. Digging it. Tall. Fall a little forward. Just touch. Chin down. That's it. You're there. Boom. Don't move. Digging it. Spot on. Spot on. Yeah, we do the Hassy first. Smiling a little bit. Happy eyes. Happy mouth. Good. Change a thing. Yep. I don't know why it fires twice. It's crazy, man. You can smile. It's funny. Okay. All right. Dude, that's good. All right. I think I got an idea for him there. Put it right. Your hand on it, like right there.
Okay.
You know, the other hand, like this one.
Oh, like
yeah,
that.
the other one's still on your hip or whatever you like. Okay.
Something like that.
Yes, sir. Don't make it so painful looking. Yeah, hold it wherever you want. I mean, it just feels, yeah. Turn your hand inward, I think. Generally, it's better photographically. Make it look like it's not such an effort. Yeah, okay. There you go. Good. Bring this hand just a little high, like hang the finger. And hang a thumb or something. Yeah, close this hand a little bit. Yeah. All right, let's put the instrument up in the middle. Let's try this. So we can get two hands and get some elbows out. Right there. You want to hold it high enough so that your elbows are out, so you're still a big guy. But don't pose, you're just natural. We'll get some here. Nice. Perfect. But breathe a little. Tall and then tuck. Tuck chin. Nice. That's good. Hang on to that there. Nice. Billy. And then do this for me. Tip this way so you're, and then looking down more lower. Good. And good. Pick a lower spot closer to me. Good. Lower to the ground. And eyes up here. All right. Now there's hands, but one up, one down, or something different. You know, with this. Now keep it at the top of the headstock, and then one at the neck. Yeah. There you go. Red light goes on.
Freak out. I can't
My
play.
fingers are stiff.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, that's good. Spin the amp just a little away. This way, just a tiny bit. Gotta get the right shade on it. There we go. Switch your gigs recently. Okay. So now I'm gonna do like one more little series for you. Can't hear you. All right, let's see. Let's see if I can get a black shot. I'll play. Good, hold it. Okay, looking down, getting more into it. Play hard, dude. Yeah. All right. That's nice. Okay, well, I'll try the other ones. Right there. To the, either way, could go. That square is good for this one, yeah. Good, and actually pose right there. It's cool, hold it. Let me get this set up. Yeah, hang on to it. Dude. I like that. Yeah, cool. Make it laugh. Yeah. Good. Beautiful. Oh, that's good. Alright, let's try it. I guess we're done with that. Good. Okay, relax. That's the end of that camera. Beautiful. That's what we came for right there. Put a little reflector a little tighter, but not much. Watch out for your spotlight. Good. Okay, I need, stay there. This camera, a few sheets of real film. Just real film is all I'll do. It's gonna be right now. There, I think. Alright. Good. Let's see that. Boom. Crank it down, baby. One more. Very cool. A little pleasant, but still. Now close.
It's only a couple $2 a piece.
Yeah, this is kid stuff.
There's a lot of time to process it.
Yeah, a lot of
Oh, goodness.
But it makes, man,
It's worth
the
it.
quality's so good. It's the difference between a cassette and a 24 track
Oh,
2-inch, you know. It is. Okay, beautiful. I'm liking that. Hang on to it. Right there. Trying to see. I don't really have good scores for horizontal on this camera, but alright, here we go. You're good. Here we go. That's bottom left in. Got you. Okay, pal. Woo, I think we got it. Alright. Beautiful. Appreciate you spending your time and all that. We got it, though. We got tons.
Awesome.
So.